Welcome to Floor Man Investing. I am Phil. Another Friday video for y'all. Gonna look over some stocks and crypto. We got Bitcoin. It come back down to that 44,000 range, and we held that as support, and we're bouncing back up. And that's fine. That's good that we came back to retest. You can't just keep going up forever. We need to create these support lines. So we come back down to 44, and we're back up to around 46 as of right now. Ethereum has just been doing pretty good. It did come back to retest. Anytime Bitcoin comes down, it kind of pulls everything down with it. It came back down and found support, shot right back up. We're not too far from the top where we just were. Now, pretty bullish about Ethereum. There's a lot of talk about the merger that's going to be happening between June and July. It might be a little further. We're hoping for it to be done this summer. That's where they're going to go to proof of stake, not proof of work, and that's going to be like a triple halvening for Ethereum. If you don't know what a halvening is, that's just where the rewards of mining, where you're creating new coins, is cut in half. So Bitcoin has that every 4 years, and it's going to be like the equivalent of having 3 of those at once. So pretty bullish about that. So this price is probably, a steal. Not financial advice, just kind of what we're looking into. And the reason why I bring up stocks is a lot of people are nervous about getting into um, crypto, and the more I talk to people, the more I find out a lot of people just don't invest at all. And with inflation at 8%, and people are living from just hand to mouth, the system is not made for us not to invest. We need to invest, otherwise your money that you're making today is worth. You're just losing buying power. If you're just putting that money in the savings account and looking at it and go, oh wow, I have $14,000. Yeah, it's being eroded away at 8%, just about 8% right now in inflation. So the money that you're working hard for is just going away if you're not putting in and not getting into some assets that are working for you. Learning how to make money, make money. It's how the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor because they're not investing. And you can invest with as little as $1 with all these apps now. Um, you have Robinhood, Webull, all these, and a lot of times if you start out, they'll give you a free share of something just for trying them out. So just really hope people start looking into investing, and then hopefully we can get them to move into crypto, because I think crypto is going to be a better asset to hold. Innovation, it's it's volatile at first, but we will come in and start moving up at a more stable pace. So I'm going to switch over to Cardano here. Cardano, it did come back down a little bit, not as bad. We held around let's see, $1.11. That's pretty good. And we're going back up now. There's some news coming out with Cardano. They have NFTs on their projects. So switch this over here. They got NFTs on their platform too, and we just had some news come out that we have Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg is going to be joining the NFT marketplace here. We're going to have them on Cardano. So this is pretty big. I think it's going to be, it's definitely going to be big for Clay Nation as a project. But this is going to be big for Cardano in general, because people are going to be like, well, what's Clay Nation? What is that on? It's on Cardano. So we should see a bit of a pump from that, I believe. I think once they get this up and going, we already see, switch over here to, yeah, we already see the effects when it comes to Clay Nation is now, if you look, they're right on the top. and then their second little project, Good Charlotte, is number two because and the floor price was cheaper. So this is just really shot up over that news. I mean, we don't recommend it. It's good if you had it before. We don't recommend chasing anything. Just go, oh, I missed it, and keep looking for something else. But yeah, as you see, one and two, we actually looks like Boss Cats finally fell down to number 9. I know for a while it seemed like they were in like the top 5 for seemed like forever. So yeah, so I think that's gonna bring in more attention to Cardano in general. In all honesty, so just curious too. Going to go back over to let's see, we have a new mint coming out here. Her World, pretty cute art. We've been looking at. We like it. It kind of reminds you of that Adventure Time almost look. So that's minting today. So if you want to go check that out, I know they had um, the pre-sale the other day, and starting to see some more stuff coming out. That's really cool. So if you want to check that out, it's going for 45 ADA, and like I said, it's a pretty cool art. So we like that one. And another one we like to bring up, we have Blockheads just minted this week, and the floor is really low. And if you like Legos like we do, who wouldn't want a little NFT of one of these little Lego men? So we like that project, and it's got a pretty low floor. So we did get a couple of them. So we're gonna hold on to those and see. I know they got their roadmap up, and they want to be community driven, and they're going to be looking at doing airdrops in the future. So it's something that you might want to check out with the floors still low like that. Maybe pick up some and hold on to one, and maybe flip one to get your initial investment out. So that's one project we are looking at right now. And one more second here. So back over to. So just wanted to bring this up. So for new people, um, I mean, we always recommend not going all in on anything. Don't go all in on Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, these are great projects. Bitcoin, we run, 50%, 25 Ethereum, and then break up the rest between Cardano, Polygon. There's many other ones we do like. So just comment down below on like what would you recommend to make a portfolio for your friend, for someone that's new to the space, because it's better to have it diversified than if they just put everything into Bitcoin or everything into stocks. So just comment below as like a little mixture that you would do for how would you do it for crypto. And that's pretty much all we got for today. And if you got any projects you want us to take a look at, just comment down below and we will check them out, and we'll catch you next time.